show that sometimes size does matter.
Bruh.
Introducing our new larger than life toolbox. As an introduction, 7 drawers in the front. Each drawer's got a locking mechanism, varying in sizes. It's got a load carrying capacity of 500 kilograms. Each drawer carrying 40 kilograms on its own. Lockable, both sides, front and on the side. Jason?
Thanks, Derek. Okay, yeah, so what we've got over here is obviously we've got a nice worktop as well, okay, which is a laminate worktop, which is ideal for working around, laying your tools on as well. What we've got in this aspect here, a couple of soft inserts or interfaces, so we're not damaging the toolbox or your tools while utilizing it. I think what's so nice about the size of the box is the absolute dimensions. 103 centimeters, top to floor. Width, you're looking at 112 centimeters, and width, you're looking at 780 centimeters.
When receiving your toolbox, there's very little fitment required. It already comes with 2 caster wheels fitted, 1 static and 1 with a swivel on it. It also has your individual shelving that is adjustable to your requirements, and each of the shelves and all of the drawers comes with its foam inserts, further protecting all of your quality tools.
Right, and then what you'll notice on the actual trolley itself as well, with the sheet metal, you've got these holes cut out, and basically what that is for, little hooks. You can adapt the tool trolley to what you want. Maybe you want to hook a tool on there, or anything else of the sort. Alright, just coming back to the fitment side, or the actual setting up of the tool trolley, like Derek says, the only thing that needs to be added to it are the 2 handles on either side. And that's done simply by 4 screws on either side, and off you go. The tool trolley is ready to rock and roll.